Fellas. If you're not doing the maintenance on your bike to keep it going, what are you doing? And yeah, it does look black. That's because it's a mini bike with no oil filter, eh? But your boy, I try to do an oil change about every 15 to 20 hours. Some people go longer. But personally, for me, for such a small crankcase volume, for such a low amount of oil, as well as not having a filter, it just makes sense to replace it in 15, 20 hours. Because with vehicles, guys, I don't go by a mileage or a time. I go by looks. I check my oil every week, and when it starts to get black and carbon filled, then I change it. Don't count miles. Just check your oil, right? The color and the viscosity will tell you a lot about the breakdown and the pollutants that are intermixed. That are all the carbons and I guess conditioners, but those are more in the oil already. Oh, just the shenanigans they add to it. I feel like the engine isn't completely flat though, but it all doesn't drain out. I feel like I need to lift up the rear, but I don't know. We'll let her sit. Have a good day, boys. Jesus loves you.